guys, Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. I just made the best recipe for bourbon balls. They are the milk chocolate bourbon balls. It's taken me a while to find a recipe that I felt that was going to work for me, and I made them and they turned out great. I'm going to show you how I did it here in just a second. It's baking time. There's lots of things going on. I'm going to do some more videos today of some other baking. It's what I do when I can't get out there and do my gardening, but I will be getting out there probably in the next 2 to 3 weeks and preparing for my spring garden. I'll go ahead and till up the garden and go ahead and modify the soil, and I'll get some carrots in the ground and some beets, some more turnips because they did come up quite well, and I'll get some lettuce and some Brussels sprouts. Any of the cool weather plants I'll go ahead and get in the ground in the next couple of weeks, so you're going to want to hit that subscribe button so you can see what's going on. But anyway, let's get started on the bourbon balls. Okay, so what I have set aside is one 12-ounce package of vanilla wafers. I have 5 tablespoons of bourbon. I have one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 package of Nestle milk chocolate morsels, not the semi-sweet, and about 3/4 cups of chopped pecans. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start crunching up our vanilla wafers. You want this very fine crushed. You want to get them crunched up real good, almost like a graham cracker crust. Now, if you have a food processor, you can use that, but I prefer the old-fashioned way. Not really, but this is what I'm going to do. I have my vanilla wafers crunched up into crumbs, and now I'm going to add my bourbon. We're going to mix this up real good. In a heavy saucepan, I put my chocolate chips in here, and we're going to melt these on low. Okay, it's just about as melted as it's going to get. Now I'm going to add my sweetened condensed milk, and we're going to remove it from the heat. These are going to be excellent. The good thing about this recipe, y'all, is that you can go ahead and make them, and you can freeze them. And you know, Christmas and New Year's is right around the corner. This will be a great thing to take to a New Year's Eve party or even to a Christmas dinner. As you can see, they're super easy. Now I need to go ahead and add my crumb mixture gradually and stir it in. This would be great for your Christmas dinner or for your New Year's Eve or for any time, actually. Okay, I've added all my crumbs, and now you can see that it's thickened up quite nicely. I'm going to set this aside and let it chill for about 20 or 30 minutes. You can let it set at room temperature for about 30 minutes, depending on the temperature of your house, or you can set it in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 15 to 20 minutes. I've let it chill for about 20 minutes in the refrigerator, so now it's time to start rolling them up, folks. So you want to make about 1-inch size balls. Oh yeah, perfect. And then roll it around in the nuts. Now, I've lined my container with parchment paper. It didn't say to do so, but I'm going to do it just so they don't stick. And we're just going to start laying them out. The longer you let them sit, the better they get. I might have to chop up some more nuts because you can see that they're going to go kind of fast, and I'm not sure that that's going to do. You can see I have my first batch down, so I'm going to go ahead and layer some more parchment paper. I did have to chop up some more nuts, guys, so you might want to make about, I don't know, 1.5 cups, maybe 2 cups. And I was thinking that you might even want to put some peanuts in there for like a kind of a sweet, salty kind of flavor. These are looking absolutely beautiful. Okay, guys, I am done. I got 3 layers here. Probably did make about 4.5, 5.5 dozen. I'm really excited about them. Check these out. So anyway, this could be a great gift to put in tins for your coworkers or for your family, or you can make them for your Christmas or your New Year's Eve party. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We do appreciate you, and it's off to the next recipe. So if you want to know what I'm going to make next, be sure and click that subscribe button up in the right-hand corner. We thank you for watching. Take care. God bless. Have a great weekend, and Merry Christmas.